people. Look what I did. Can you see fountain pen ink on my hands? My God. So today the fountain pen won the battle. I obviously lost the battle. But what I really want to talk about today is what came in the mail from Goulet Pens. So I just want to open this and go over it. It's not a planner, obviously. It came from Goulet Pens, but I just want to talk about fountain pens, what's in here, and what my thoughts are. So let's open her up. I had to get rid of the one that had my address on it. So if any one of you has bought from Goulet Pens, you know that their saying is they pack their items with a ridiculous amount of care. And I do have to say, I've never had anything come from Goulet Pens that's been damaged, so. And I got a sticker. Okay, well, I'm sort of bummed out because, well, I'll explain after I open these. Okay, let me open this. This is a Lamy, or a Lamy, however you want to pronounce it. Okay, so these are safaris, Lamy safaris, or Lamy safaris. And usually I'm not a huge fan of the safaris because they're plastic, but these retro colors I just couldn't resist. So I did pick them up, and I'm a little bit bummed out because they had matching pen cases available while supplies last, and I did email them and say, you know, if I order now, do you have any left? Will I be getting one? And I didn't get an answer back. So obviously they did not have any more because there were no pen sleeves. Did I say pen cases? There are no pen sleeves is what they were in my package. So they must have been out. These are pretty cool. They've got black nibs. I think I got medium. Yes, medium nibs on them. I just bought them for the color, really. I found that I used to have a big collection of Lamys, and I found that the nibs were really hit and miss. So I stopped buying them in favor of TWSBIs, but subsequently have found that the TWSBIs can have the same issue. So what I thought I would do is just give them another chance. See if I can make another mess. There we go. I'm just using the cartridge that came with it rather than trying to fill a cartridge. I do have, when I bought Lamys before, I really preferred the All-Star, or the All-Star, however you want to say it. And those are the aluminum ones, which I think they really, really have in some fantastic colors. If that's one thing Lamy does well, is they really come out with these gorgeous colors. And I sold a lot of mine. I really had quite an impressive collection. So I probably do have converters lying around for these, so I could use my own ink. But for the sake of timeliness, I'm just going to use the cartridge that came with it. And let's see how it writes. This is just some Hobonichi paper. Well, we gotta get it started here. Not too bad. I do find them to be a little scratchy. I don't know. But I'd still use them. It's not terrible. And let's compare that to my TWSBI, which I believe is also medium. It's a little smoother. I gotta be honest with you. The TWSBI. But then let's dig out the Kaweco that I just got. This is the one that gave me blue fingers, by the way. I hope I'm not getting my big fat head in the camera. That one's pretty smooth too. Yeah, this would be a nice one to carry around with you. This little pocket size one. And like I said before, if this one leaks, yeah, you do get ink everywhere, but this one holds so much more ink. If this one spilled, you'd have a puddle. So let's see if I can get that closer. So yeah, let me try this one. I mean, this one I just put the cartridge in, so it's kind of at a disadvantage. Yeah, that's better now. Still feels a lot, for medium, doesn't really feel medium. Feels closer to a fine, like maybe on the fine side of medium, if that makes any sense. Okay, yeah, it's not too bad. So yeah, I really did buy them for the colors. Once again, bummed out I did not get the free pen sleeves that matched, because I thought that would be super cool. I don't imagine they were like really high quality. They're probably just plastic that matched, but it kind of sucks. But yeah, so that was my fountain pen haul for today. But just for fun, let's open up these pens I bought at Target. Aren't these adorable? Okay, so I'm like 50 and I like pens with little animal faces on them. Sue me. So they have 2 different colors each. And they're ballpoint, I believe. Ooh. Oh, you know what? Once you get them writing, not a bad little pen. Yeah, it takes a bit to get them writing. Oh, they're cute though. I mean, nothing fantastic, but yeah. They are the brand More Than Magic. Don't ask me why I had to have those, but anyway, thanks for joining me. I have a couple other things I'll be unboxing very soon. Matter of fact, my next unboxing, I will still have blue fountain pen ink on my hands. Unfortunately, yeah. So with that, I will bid you farewell. Goodbye. Okay, for real, guys, I also had to show you this. I wasn't even going to show you guys this, but then I was opening it after I stopped the video, and I was like, oh my god, this is just so adorable. So I'm going to show you. If you have been in Target and seen this, oh my god, pick it up. It's so cute. I have every craft supply known to man, and I still bought it. But look at, if you like tiny things, oh my god, I just can't believe this. How adorable is this? Okay, this is a itty bitty paper punch. Look at that. Oh my god. That's so cute. Oh, I hope it focused again after I did that. And an itty bitty stapler. Like Pac-Man. Waka, 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 waka. Okay. And then a scissors. And then here's some extra staples. And let's see if I can get it out. Oh, look at this itty bitty tape dispenser. Oh my God, I can't stand it. And then they give you an extra roll of tape. God, it's so freaking cute. Okay, and what else is in here? Let's see, how did that go in there? Okay, this is a pencil sharpener, which could actually be used probably for eyeliner pencil because I don't have a pencil that actually needs to be sharpened. And then a staple remover. Oh my God, that's so cute. That's a nice thing you can throw in your bag though. I mean, it's not like you'd want to do a lot of crafting with these tiny little things, but on the go if you just needed something real quick. But anyway, this is why I have no money. I just buy crap like this all the time. So that's all I wanted to show you. Bye again.